What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning into another episode of Rocket Vlogs. Today we are doing nothing rocketry related. So, a lot of you guys may or may not know, I guess all of you may or may not know. Look, we don't have to get into logistics. I fly RC planes as well, and one of my favorite RC plane manufacturers, FMS, asked if I'd be interested in reviewing one. So I said yes, obviously, and some of you also may know that I have a RC channel called RC Vlogs, which doesn't have a lot of posts on it, but we're going to be working on doing more stuff. I actually just put a video on it not too long ago. If you're into RC planes, cars, I want a boat so bad. I don't know why lately, but if you're into radio control hobbies as well, check it out. Link is in the description, or you can press the little I in the top here. But yes, if you're perhaps interested in learning to fly RC planes, this is a Ranger. It's a high wing, 3-wheel tricycle layout trainer, and Shane has just recently started flying RC planes. I do a lot of 3D stuff and like really fast planes and everything, so I'm not scared of this, but Shane is, so that means he's going to fly it. Just to prove how easy it is to not crash it, or maybe how easy it is to crash it. Hopefully not, but you know, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, it's 1200 millimeters. Let's unbox, and if you want to take it off the tripod and do it handheld there, let's see what we're doing. The wind actually looks pretty nice today, Shane.
Yeah.
So I think we might first grab the battery, because this is a complete ready to fly kit. Obviously, I'll have a link in the description for this thing. And also, they have like an affiliate program. So if you want to fly an RC plane and you want to help Rocket Vlogs, easy way to do it is to buy one of these planes. Or FMS has RC cars and everything, and you can use my link. There's a code for a discount, and I get a bit of it kicked back to me if you buy stuff. So if you're looking for park flyers or RC cars and what have you, now's a good time. So I really wanted to, because we got a bunch of rain recently, which is pretty exotic for Southern California, and this comes with floats. So I really wanted to find a place to fly it on the water, but we're kind of running short on time here. The weather has been keeping me from making this video, which is a problem because, you know, they send you stuff, they expect you to make the video about it. So we've been working on that, all right? What that means is if you want to see this plane fly and potentially get crashed into water, you're going to have to go subscribe to RC Vlogs, because I do still plan on putting the floats on it. But like I said, this is a ready to fly starter kit. So it comes with a 2.4 gigahertz radio, but it comes with a charger. It comes with a battery. That is a little bit more battery than I anticipated. I believe it's going to be a 3S LiPo? I don't know. It probably would have been intuitive of me to learn anything about this kit before I started shooting the video. But at a certain point, you know, what's the point? Oh, it's XT60. Okay, so full disclosure, I'm going to go plug this into my nice charger. But it does come with a charger. And I believe it's right here. Here you go, the B3 FMS compact charger. I don't know what charge rate that puts that at, but manual for the radio. Here's the manual for the plane, the Pladio, if you will. So some good news for you, Shane. It has the reflex system, which is stabilizer. I don't think it has like a safe mode where you can just flip the switch and it'll undo what you've done incorrectly. So the easy solution for that is to just not do anything incorrectly. Seems pretty intuitive to me. I'm gonna go get my my iFixit Mako 40-piece toolkit available through the Rocket Vlogs affiliate Amazon link. Am I dumb for thinking like plane fuselages? Oh, the nose wheel is like a permanent fixture. Thinking that plane fuselages kind of look like sardines without wings on them. There's pieces, like I said, floats. I really wanted to put the floats on it and take it ripping on the lake. Subscribe to RC Vlogs, you'll get to see that eventually. I just had the brilliant idea that we should time-lapse the assembly that I came up with on my own.
Do you want to just time-lapse putting it together?
So we're gonna do that now. Okay, last time we were out here, this bodes well for you, Shane. I crashed and destroyed a plane, Shane did not. So I'm just gonna double check real quick that all the surfaces are going the right direction. I do love that it actually steers the nose wheel. All right, it was dead calm, now we got a little breeze, but I'm facing it, so here we go. It's a little breezy up high. It's pretty well trimmed. Maybe a little nose up, but I can't tell if it's just because of the wind or not. I have to say it's a little sportier than I expected. I'm bringing it in close. Nice and slow. I mean, yeah, it's a high wing trainer. Like, we got no roll rate. That's kind of fun though, huh? God, I'm really nervous about those power poles. I wanted to bring it in nice and close. Yeah, I mean, this thing's great. Now I'm using them like a slalom. That's a bad idea. I wonder if the switches do anything. It doesn't seem like it. Okay, it rolls a little bit. I have to say, if anything, the radio is not my favorite, but that's kind of what I expected. All right, let's bring her down. Too easy, dude. True test, beginner flyer here.
Yep.
Go for it. Just immediately brushes the pole.
Yeah, that got a little close.
That was real close.
Yeah.
All right, you gotta be less aggressive with the throttle and everything. But I mean,
yeah, it does nose up a little bit, but not a lot. That might also just be the wind.
it is the wind. Yeah, on the way back, it doesn't do it. Ooh! Flying over and behind you, just like perfect. How does it feel to fly completely unassisted?
Scary. I mean, I haven't done it a whole lot, so.
It's not completely unassisted, I guess. It's got the reflex stabilizer, but it doesn't have like the panic button like E-flite planes do, which is what he's used to, and safe mode, which Like it restricts your bank angle and how aggressive the inputs are and everything, which is why it looks a little aggressive. If it looked a little aggressive when I was flying it, it's just because I fly things aggressively. Not bad though. You want to try and land it?
Give it a shot, yeah.
It floats out pretty good, but just watch the low bank angle, or when you're banking at low speed, it tip stalls pretty easy. You're gonna want to take a lap and watch out for that pole.
Yeah.
God. Ooh. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get into RC flying, this thing's a high wing trailer. It's super easy to fly. Comes completely ready to fly. Charger, radio, airplane, battery for $250. And it comes with floats. So if you want to fly on water, you can do that. The floats are nice. Even one of them has a rudder control on the back for steering on the water. And it's got a reflex stabilizer, so it's pretty easy to fly. Even if you already fly RC planes, you just want a nice little cruiser. There you go, the FMS Ranger. Check out the link in the description. There should be a discount code. At any rate, thank you guys so much for tuning into this RC Vlogs special edition of Rocket Vlogs. If you want to see more RC stuff, we got planes, we got cars, we got all sorts of other stuff going on. I have to unbox my little tiny rally car still and fix my big RC truck. Check it out, link in the description, RC Vlogs. Yeah, my name is Braden. You just watched a Rocket Vlogs video. I'll see you next time.